Hi guys, in this video I am gonna to teach you how to make Highland beef salad. So let's get started. First of all I will show the ingredients list. The ingredients are 1 by 300 grams, 10.5 ounces sirloin or fillet steak, salt and freshly ground black pepper, 25 milliliters, 1 fluid ounce rapeseed oil, 1 red chili, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon palm sugar, 2 garlic cloves, sliced, 2 tablespoons fresh coriander, plus extra for the salad, 2 tablespoons fresh mint, 1 teaspoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 lime, juice and zest, 1 round lettuce, 50 grams, 1 3/4 ounces sugar snap peas, halved, 6 radishes, sliced. Now the method is: Step 1. Preheat a barbecue or griddle pan to hot. Step 2. Season the steak with lots of black pepper, drizzle with oil and place onto a hot barbecue or griddle pan for 5 minutes, turning halfway through. Step 3. To make the dressing, put the chili, palm sugar, garlic and a teaspoon of salt into a pestle and mortar. Grind for 1 to 2 minutes, then add the coriander and mint and grind for another minute. Mix in the fish sauce, soy sauce, lime juice and zest. Step 4. Cut the lettuce into 6 wedges and place in a bowl. Top with the sugar snap peas, radishes and a few coriander leaves. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss to coat. Slice the beef and lay it on top of the salad. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.